Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple method to block any program from accessing the internet on your Windows 10 or 11 PC and laptop using Windows Defender Security. To start, click on the search box and type Defender. Choose Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security from the suggestions. The Advanced Security window will open. From the left-hand menu, select Outbound Rules. Click on New Rule on the right-hand side. A new box will appear presenting you with 4 options. Choose Program and click Next. Now, it'll prompt you to select the location of the program you want to block. Click Browse, then navigate to the program's installation location. Ensure it says Block the connection, keeping it selected, and proceed by clicking Next. Keep all options checked, then click Next again. Give the rule a name for easy identification in the future. I'll name it. You can add a description for more details if needed. Click Finish, and now has been added to the block list. To confirm, look in the list, and you'll see it marked as Block in the Action section. This prevents the program from accessing the internet.
If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.